Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. And I honestly was not going to make a video on this, but after looking at all the videos that were on, the 3 videos that were on YouTube on this specific type of install and how they were done and how they were filmed and the lack of information and the comment sections of everybody asking for the missing information, I decided I'm going to go ahead and make a video. So in this video guys, we are installing a trailer hitch on my Miata. Well, we already installed the hitch. Let me turn on, I got Tarzan playing in the background, hold on. Alright, so let me take you on and show you the hitch. So the hitch, the little extension I'm using is this little extension, whatever you want to call it. I did purchase this on eBay. I think this is about 40 bucks because my car is on air, so it does air out really low, so I needed something that sat a lot higher because my car obviously does not sit at a higher height. And the ball that I'm using is a 1 7/8 because that's the trailer or most common trailer hitch size that I've come across. So this is also what I have in my Tacoma. As far as the hitch mounting location, guys, let me take you underneath. I just had to kill a black widow, so I was a little sketched by getting underneath here. So it mounts right here, or at least this specific hitch. I don't really know what brand this hitch is because I did buy it off Facebook Marketplace for about $40. So yeah, but has a little 4-pin and has one mounting bolt right there. Has one mounting bolt on that side as well. And that one, obviously there's no actual hole in the chassis. So yeah, I didn't put a hole there because I think you're supposed to drill a hole and tap it and maybe put a nut in a bolt or just a bolt or whatever. I'm not too sure on that because I don't know if this is NA specific or NANB or NB or whatnot, what's going on, but that's how I got it. Owner before me told me he also didn't put those bolts in. But yeah, the only hole that it would remotely line up was that little tiny 10mm spot, and as you can see, that is definitely not an ideal thing. I did have to put a whole bunch of rubber mesh on mine because my exhaust hits the trailer hitch sometimes when I go over things because the car sits pretty low. But yeah, so that is as far as the underside. Now we're going to tackle the wiring. The 4-pin connectors, the right green one right here on the 4-pin on this specific 4-pin that I got is the right side turn signal. The yellow is the left side turn signal. The brown is the stop lamps, and then the white is a ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to wire that into the NA Miata specifically. So I found this wiring diagram on Miata forums with the Z.com, and this is for 93. My car is a 93 and it is a California edition. For the wiring diagram, ladies and gentlemen, the green wire that goes to the right side will attach to your turn signals, which on the diagram is the green and white wire. So the green and white wire over here, don't mind that, I'll be fixing that in just a second. The green and white wire will be where the green wire gets attached to on the right side. The left side, the yellow wire will also get attached to the green and white because those are the turn signals for the Miata. As for the brown wire, if you tap it into either the left side or the right side, it will be the green and black wire. That is the stop lamp wire for both taillights. And then obviously after that you have the white, which is the ground. You just mount that ground somewhere on the chassis. And then if you guys really care to know what the other wires are, I believe the red and green is the reverse light, and then the black one is a ground, and the red and black I believe is a power. So if you guys wanted to see, this is a wiring diagram. I'll try to remember to put a screenshot on the screen, but if I forget, you guys can go ahead and screenshot this. Scroll down so you guys can see the other half of the diagram. There you go. You guys can go ahead and freeze that. Lots of people in the videos that I was seeing in the comments were asking for the wiring diagram and wiring instructions. So I'm making this video to do that for you guys. Alright, so I finished the trailer wiring, and as you guys can see, it is all nice and neat, other than that bundle of junk that you guys saw earlier. And this side obviously is hidden because I have a subwoofer in my trunk with my air setup. Kind of sick. But yeah, I already went over the wiring and what wire goes to what, so I don't need to explain it again. So I just want to show you guys that it is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that away and re-adhere that back down to the carpet real quick. Alright, everything is back together. Yeah, I have some LEDs in the trunk, hence why I have lights in the trunk, because I know the Miata does not come like that. But yeah, everything is all nice and tidied up, all nice. Let's go and take you guys underneath the car. I have this. It didn't really, because I got this trailer hitch wiring kit off of Temu, and it didn't really adhere, it didn't really fit in the bracket very well. So then I just used some very strong adhesive, pounded bond, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's gonna be there. So tomorrow, since it is now 8 o'clock, it is nighttime time. My trailer is underneath the car cover, all this and that. I'll go ahead and pull the Miata out tomorrow, verify that all the trailer lights work when I attach it to the trailer, as well as give you guys a little drive around POV. My trailer is a 4x8. It is a pretty big trailer and it tows my dirt bikes around, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that tomorrow. Alright, so I did hook up the Miata to the trailer, and you guys can obviously see only one taillight is working, but that has nothing to do with the trailer because I hooked up the trailer to a power probe and both lights do work, as well as hooked it up to my truck, and it does work on my truck. So I'm pretty sure it has something to do with my Miata, because when I do my turn signals, it only shows up on the dash when I go right, not when I go left. And when I do the hazards, only the right one blinks on the dash but not the left, but it still blinks on the car. That has nothing to do with the wirings of the trailer and the wiring that is done to my car from the harness that we installed for this video. It obviously has something to do with the actual car because this car has had problems since I got it, but the wiring harness is a success because I did confirm it, so we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. So if you guys enjoyed today's video on the Mazda Miata, if this was entertaining and as well as very helpful for you guys out there who have Miatas who are doing trailers on your guys' cars. If you guys enjoyed today's video, drop a like, comment down below if you guys have any other questions that I didn't answer in the video, as well as subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video. Peace.